Hey guys, welcome to part 2 on how to make your own Minecraft hack claim. Today we're going to be coding the base and making our first mod. So let's get started. First, we're going to want to open Eclipse IDE. Also, ignore any background sound because my parents are in the kitchen and then my thing is in the living room. So, yeah. So here we are. Right, I'm going to be using my my another client that I made as a reference because I can't memorize that much code. I'm just gonna choose a different workspace. So I chose it as YouTube client. So yeah, here we are. I was trying to previously record this video, so yeah. Let me just fix these errors, I think. So sorry guys, I was trying to record this video a bit earlier, but apparently that failed because my parents can't be quiet. As you can hear that they're just doing that. They're just yelling like it's nothing. So now, let me just say that. So first, you're going to want to click on source, right click on source, and then make a new class. And name this, wait no, not a class. I'm just going to make a package. Actually no, this new package. And then I'm going to be calling this YouTube, the same name as my hack client. So we can add a new class, and I'm just going to call this the same name as my hack client again. So you have to do public static string name equals to YouTube client. No matter what, you have to put a space at the end. And then you can do version equals to 0.1b. I just put it as that. You can do it like 1.0 or what you usually do and stuff for version. Now we have to do public static string full name equals name plus version. So that will basically make the full name. So we can do public static void start. Also, I'm just always keeping this open because like last time for some reason there's a bug with OBS that keeps on stopping. Also, you may hear like I'm not sure how you call it, but like the leaf blower thing. So ignore that. So public static void start. We have to do display. This is the OpenGL app display. Set title, and then we do full name. Now we have to hook our thing to the Minecraft source code. So go to around line 500 somewhere. Or actually, I'm gonna do virtual. You can just do server name does not equal no. Yeah. So at around over here. So I'm gonna do /YouTube. So then I know where I'm putting my client code. So I'm gonna just do YouTube or the name of this class dot start. So I'm just gonna import YouTube, and then now if we just scroll down a bit more, we find this, and then this may say Minecraft 1.8.8 or something like that. So we can just put here loading, and then space, and then plus YouTube dot full name, and then here we are. So yeah, now let's just quickly launch this. So now never mind. You don't need to launch a world. Just as we see here, while the game is loading, it says loading YouTube clients, and then it says YouTube client. A bit of a spoof you can add to this, which will make it seem a bit more organized. I don't know how I say it. Is that, let's go back to where it says display that set title inside the Minecraft code, not inside of our own code. So yeah. So instead of full name, we can just do name. So that will just make it look a bit better, and then it will add the version over here because it makes it look like it's trying to load the version, even though it's not really trying to. So now, I think we should get started with the module system. So 1 second, I'm gonna just quickly go find something, because I'm not 100% sure how to do this, because I know that you have to add something that will hook into the Minecraft code. Let me just go figure that out for 1 second. Okay guys, I'm back, and I just figured out how to do this. Credit to Gamerboy for Life for reassuring me. So now let's just go here. So first thing we're going to want to do is make a new package inside of our client package, and then we're going to call this module. And inside of here, we're going to want to make a new enum, call this category, and then I'm just going to make a new class, and call this module main. Most YouTubers call it module, but I get bugs when calling it that, since there are a lot of like other things named module. So we can do module manager. So now let's get started. Let's just start off with the category. So we can just do this. I'm pressing caps lock right now, so combat, player, render, movement, miss, and I think that's it. Let me go check. Yeah, that's it. Not really the exact order. So now let's start off with our module main. So basically now we can go here, do this protected Minecraft MC equals Minecraft get Minecraft. So yep, that's that. So you can do public string name, private int key, and then private boolean toggled. Oh my gosh. Toggled, and then you can just do equals false. Like, just put it like that. I can do private category C. Let me just check if there's any background. Yeah, that's good. So now, let's go to this. Let's make a constructor, public module main, string nm, int k, and then category C. So we can do this dot name equals nm, this dot key equals k, this dot c equals c, toggled equals false, and then we can just ignore the setup thing because we'll be adding that in a future episode since we don't need it right now. So now we're going to want to make a few methods. So we can do public void on enable, public void on disable, public void on render, and public void on update. So yeah. now what we can do here is go click source and then do generate getters and setters. Click select all and then click generate, and then boom. So public category, and then we can do category, set category. Yeah. So now this is that. That is that. So now so here's what we can do now. So let's start coding the module manager. So this is pretty simple actually. So we can just public static array list. We can do module main, and then we can do just mods. And then I'm just gonna do Control-Shift-O to import that. We can do public module manager, and then inside of here you can do mods equals new array list module main, and then just add parentheses at the end, and then we can just save that. There's not too much background noise, so now let's just hit enter. So that is it. These are just like a bunch of mods. So here's what we can do: player penis render movement, and then you can do combat. So now we can do this. A really easy method that we can do to add mods. We can do public void add mod, and then we can just test the parameters as module main. And so here we can just do mods.add m. So add this module thing to the array list. So I think we can just source generate getters and setters. And we can just select this mod. So okay, so select getters. So then we can just do that. So we don't have to do set mods, so we can just do public static void on update. We can do for module main m in mods, and then you can do m.on update. So now we can do public static void on render. So we can just go here and do for module main m in mods. So we can do for we can do m.on render. And then the last thing we need for this class is public static void on key, and then we can do if m.get key equals to k, then m.toggle. Oh yeah, we have to do go here int k, and oh yeah, I forgot one thing. So just cut that thing, and then we can do for module main m in mods, and then do that. Wait. Oh yeah, and I forgot. We have to do public static void toggle. So we can do toggled equals not toggled. If toggled, then on enable, Oh yeah. God. Wait. We have to change this to a public void. That should fix. I'm gonna do else on disable. So yep. Now I'm that toggle. That should work. So yeah. Now we have to do control shift. Hey guys, I'm just resuming that my thing that I was making, my episode 2 that I was making, because the recording cut, and yeah. So I'm gonna be splicing the recordings back together, but yeah. So I think we were at this. So you're gonna want to go to Control Shift R, and then search up Minecraft at Java, and then you're going to do Control F, and then type in K equals to 1, and then just click on Find, and then at around here you can do this. So I think it's YouTube dot mm dot and I think that on key K. So yeah. So I think it's fine. So now we can go to Control Shift R again, Entity Player SP, and then we could do on live update. I think it's somewhere there. Only wait. I think it's living. Yeah. So here it is. I don't. Like. So let me just copy this and then do Control F. So on living update, fine. Public void on living update. So then we can do this. So it's gonna do go to. We can do module main. So I think module main dot on update. I think it's like that. Wait 1 second, guys. So yeah. So we actually want to do YouTube dot. So I think at YouTube.mm dot on update. So I think we could just delete this actually, and then we're gonna want to. So let's actually just go to the top, and then we just import YouTube dot, and then everything there. So now we can go to back to where we were on living update. Yeah. So here we are. So we can do YouTube dot dot on update. So I think that should be it. So to make our first module, let's go here and make a new package inside a module and call this modules. So this is gonna be just a simple sprint. So we can do dot movement. Wait, actually just delete that, and then and I'm gonna make a new package, and then just call this movement. So yeah, movement, and then add in a new class. I'm gonna just call it sprint, and then inside of here we're going to do extends module main. Yeah. So now we're gonna want to do public sprint, and then we can do inside of here we can do super, and then we can just do sprint, and then we can do keyboard dot key, and I think maybe I'll just do end for now, and then we can do category dot movement. So let's just import keyboard. So here we are. So now we can do public void on update, and then if we do if this dot is toggled, then we can do empty dot the player dot set sprint dot set sprinting true, and we can just do is toggled, and then add a semicolon. Oh, never mind. Add a semicolon there, and then just save the class, and then we can go back to our module manager, and then we can do we can do add mod, and then we can do new sprint, import this, and then actually we can just replace sprint with an asterisk, so then we can import all the classes inside movement, so it's a bit easier. So let's test this out, shall we? So let me just press N. As you see, I'm not. It works. As you see, so we've made our first module, guys. Okay. So this works. So let me just press. So I'm just pressing W, and then if I just press N, then it's not running. So if I press N, then now I'm running. So also a bit of like another thing that I want to do is just move that, and then boom. Now it'll just set it to is toggled, so we don't really need to do anything like that. So anyway, that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoy, and make sure to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed. So peace out, guys.